เนี่ย
What is up, guys? Caleb VR here, and today we're getting all of the monkey, whatever. All of the monkey doodle cosmetics. Hey, I'm trying to do something real quick. I don't know. Please leave it alone. Please. Screw it. Looks like I gotta do it all
I think I'm
alone.
gonna save up all my rubies. No way. Not with my rubies.
I missed it. Bro, I know you keep trying to hit me, Apple. I know you're trying to hit me. Hey, Apple!
What?
You come here. You think you can go subscribe to me?
Hey, Apple! Knife.
You want me to subscribe to you?
Ding, ding.
Alright, what is it?
Called Drago.
Hello? Why am I stuck on the ground? Help.
Bye-bye.
Please.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
I'm happy to hear, but I think you're gonna I mean, yeah, because Miss Langton's nice.
Hold on. We are...
I think we need a break. Yeah, did you see it?
What does the picture look like?
You're welcome.
I
She's nice. She has patience, according to Miss Borowski.
I have 100. I am getting subscribers. Got it.
Okay, so you're saying that she yaps a bit too much?
No, wait. Subscribe to me.
No,
I can't
Farley.
Oh, man.
You need a pickaxe.
You're not supposed to hit that. You're supposed to hit this monkey.
Oh,
You're supposed to hit that. No,
Oh,
don't.
you come here.
You
You.
have to buy the rubies or like your own money.
Wait.
how would I? Oh. You look.
And then next you got the poop. Then you got this. And then you got this. No. Sir, I'm trying to leave the place. Stop hitting me, please. Sir,
Oh, sorry.
you're fine.
Hey, do you have
Oh
this
yeah, I do.
cosmetic?
Look.
Oh, sick! How do you get different hands?
No, screw it. Let's skip straight to the poop.
How do you get different hands?
Okay, I'm getting out of here. This is actually way.
All right, yum yum.
Oh, my screen will stop spinning. Oh, like it's way harder when my screen is spinning alone. Oh, you could get 500 times. Okay, with a fireball and a Bible 1,000 movies.
Perfect.
This one, I want to change my dean. We have to be on level 7. And on level 4.
Okay, what is that? Dang it.
Hey, sir, can I
Hey, go
this,
back to
please?
the
Are you good?
What?
Well, that was not very right? So from here I just. No, it wasn't. He wasn't like right next to you, but I would. Yeah, I am. I'm right under. I'm not gonna say that because that sounds weird, but. Come on, man. It's 2024. Did you say Vaith? No, Vaith. I said Vaith.
No, it's Peter's.
Hello? Bruh, what was that for? No. Alright, I'm just gonna throw that. No, don't throw it at me!
Sorry,
No, you didn't. You very easily. Okay,
Dude,
fine.
you're standing right
Hit
next
the
to
coin.
No, I literally.
You're not trying to hit the coin, man. You're trying to hit me. I'm trying to hit me, man.
Finally.
Monkey do.
No, I got the coin.
Monkey do.
Good enough.
What? Why are you leaving, man? The party just started. Dang it, I did it wrong. No, I didn't do it wrong. Sorry, I thought I... Wait. Did I do it wrong? No. Stop it! I hate when people do this. Stop! Bro, you're really trying to hit me, but I'm trying to record a video, alright?
Alright, fine.
Just let me record a video, man. No, I'm recording right now. What? This dude keeps throwing poop at me, like. And then if you follow those steps right, which is Ruby, this, yeah, all of this. You see it? If you got all the steps right, you got the yum yum thing. You got the yum yum thing, then. Or maybe I did it a little wrong, but if I didn't do it wrong, bro. It should have just been called
Underground
swimming pool. Maybe swimming pool? Swimming pool? Swimming pool? Goodbye. Bro!
Trick shot!
I'm not in the mood for trick shots right now. I'm trying to record.
No way. I thought it was that.
I missed. Man, whatever. I'm not even trying to get you anywhere.
Oh, Jesus. Underground massage.
Alright, so he's a big stepper. La 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 la. Underground Gator Ray Pod. Sorry. Bruh, stop. No, stop. Alright. I'm missing the Ruby. I got a couple questions that I need to know for fact. Like, why are you trying to hit me?
I don't know.
Bro, I'm trying to record right now. Are you trying to annoy me?
Kind of. No. I'm just trying to hit them now.
Bro, stop hitting me.
Hey, what's up?
Did I hit this one already?
Chigawagga. Chigawagga. Chigawagga.
Bro, really? You're gonna Chigawagga on me right now? Can you stop hitting me with this stupid poop? Bro,
I
stop.
love throwing poop. It's so fun. Promise I won't. From above the surface.
Stop it. Stop it. I'm gonna freaking lose
I
my
can throw
cool.
my poop from underground.
And it's gonna be your fault.
Are you
Yeah, I'm
filming?
filming.
Okay, I'll stop.
Oh, wait, I'm sorry. For a second? Yeah, great. Looks like we got that on our hands. Scooby-Doo to the rescue.
Okay. So what have you shown?
Bruh.
Have you showed up so far? What have you shown so far?
I did it wrong. I did it wrong.
Oh, Jesus.
Bruh. Sir. Sir, what are you doing? Get off of
What do
the
you mean?
ceiling.
Not in there.
Actually, wait, no, stay on the ceiling. You're fine. You're fine right there. Bro, okay, I don't know how you hit me somehow, but you did.
I can throw through the ceiling, that's why.
Okay, please don't. That's gonna get annoying.
Yeah, I'll try.
No, but all that I know is who will group be tonight? That's the question. I don't know. No, I don't think so. Hey, that's what I said. Sir,
That's just
which
not my
one's
problem.
next? Oh. Alright, now listen, I know that I took too long on that, but, if you follow all those right, you shall unlock the average monkey cookie. Almost a coin. I don't know what a coin is. I do know what a coin is.